alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. This is Saturday's lesson. This is Lessons with Miss Fatma. Today we will be learning about emotion. Assalamu alaikum walaalayaal, kusoo dhawaada casharadeena. Maanta waxaan baran doonaa dareenka iyo shucuurta. Marka ataa ku cusub tahay qanaalkayga, please subscribe ka isaar. If you're new to this channel, please do subscribe. Let's get into the lesson now. Emotions, dareen or shucuur. Again, emotions, dareen or shucuur. Happy, farxad. Happy, farxad. Sad, murug. Sad, murug. Angry, xanaaq. Angry, xanaaq. Shy, xishood. Shy, xishood. Embarrassed, xishood or ceeb. Embarrassed, xishood or ceeb. Fear, cabsi. Fear, cabsi. Surprise, YAAB ama MUFAAJIA. Surprise, YAAB or MUFAAJIA. Disgust, KARAAHIYO. Disgust, KARAAHIYO. Crying, OHIIN. Crying, OHIIN. Romance, JACAYL. Romance, JACAYL. Jealous, MASAYR. Jealous, MASAYR. Relief, RAYSASHO. Relief, RAYSASHO. Triumph, GUUL. Triumph, GUUL. Confusion, JAHWAREER. Confusion, JAHWAREER. Admiration, ubogid. Admiration, ubogid. Guilty, DAMBIILE. Guilty, DAMBIILE. Hate, naceeb. Hate, naceeb. Calmness, degganaansho. Calmness, degganaansho. Thank you for being here. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. See you next Tuesday. Assalamu alaikum.